What's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you how to force turn off and restart your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G. So this is also known as a soft reset or a software reset, and it's something that you want to do when your phone starts freezing up a lot. Maybe you get stuck on a certain app and you're touching on the screen and it's not really doing anything. So by performing a soft reset, aka force powering off the device and rebooting it, this will close all the apps on the phone, allowing it to restart and start fresh again, and it will usually fix the problem, and your phone will be unfrozen. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. It's really easy. So let's say you're stuck on this app, for example. It could be any app. What you want to do is you want to press and hold volume down and the power lock button at the same time. Okay, so you're going to press and hold both buttons for a few seconds until the screen blacks out. Once it does, you can let go of both buttons. You may see this power menu appear. Once you see that, you can let go and the phone will reboot by itself. So give it a few seconds and it will turn on again. As you can see, it is booting back on. And there you go. The phone has completely turned on again. So now you'll be able to start using your phone again. Hopefully it will be unfrozen so that you can continue using it normally. So yeah, that is how you force power off and restart your Samsung Galaxy A15 5G, also known as a soft reset. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a like. It really helps me out. Also, comment down below. Let me know if it helped you. And that's all for this video. I'll catch you in the next one. As always, peace.